Hi friend, CSS selector for SVG elements. Okay, so previous lecture was like little lengthy and confusing. Let me make it this one very easy and short. Very first thing, it is not like XPath. Like for XPath we have a different syntax for SVG elements. In case of CSS selector there is no difference. For SVG elements, SVG elements supports the standard CSS selector format. So we need not to learn anything separately for SVG element. Just that, yes, you should be aware about that. Whenever you inspect any element, you should know that that element is the SVG element. So for an example, if there is any SVG element on the page and if you inspected that particular element, then this is good that you should know that this is a SVG element. Like this, in selector sub it immediately highlight that this is CSS selector. But if you want to write a CSS selector for SVG element, the standard format, standard formula, if class is there, then dot class, if ID is there, hashtag ID, if nothing is there, like yes, you know that tag name, immediately you can start typing that tag name. So here if it is not finding unique, so now you have learned that how to write the with the parents and everything. So is SVG space, and then you know that. And here you can use those formulas, like if you want with attributes and something like that. So yes, that you can do it here. So this is good and really helpful, and it's very simple and straightforward. I will keep it like simple. SVG formats are standard format of CSS selector support SVG. So we need not to learn anything uh, specific for SVG element in case of CSS selector, like we had to do in case of XPath. So yeah, this is very simple and standard. Whatever you have learned so far in CSS selector, the same formula and same all the function and everything will work in case of CSS selector too. So yeah, this is good. I hope this is easy for you. So thank you. In the next lecture we will learn how to write CSS selector for shadow DOM elements. Thank you.